this is Mark Buchanan with OnlineMarketingTools.com. Today we're going to review this new training on Facebook marketing called 3 Tiers to Dominate Facebook Marketing. It's a simple 3-step technique that turns losing Facebook campaigns into high-quality leads and convert those leads into high-paying customers. It's newbie friendly and it's a simple solution for profitable Facebook ads. Let's get into it. To start things off, we have an overview of 3 tiers to dominate Facebook marketing. And then from there, we go into the critical issues of Facebook marketing, why so many people fail at it. And then as far as the keys to success, why so little people have, a lot of success with Facebook marketing. We dive deep into that. And then from there, we go into taking action, which starts off with market research, of course. You really can't have any success until you actually do your market research. From there, we talk about fan pages. You need a fan page to do Facebook marketing. Without a fan page, you cannot do it. A fan page is not your personal page. That's a fan page. And we don't go into detail about setting those things up. We assume that you have your fan page or fan pages already together or set up for you to do your campaigns. From there, we go into the marketing funnel. We talk about the funnel and why the funnel is important. Within the funnel, we have your landing pages and we have your autoresponder. Your landing page is something that your leads opt into to get into your marketing funnel, and your autoresponder is basically it's a tool that sends out broadcast emails to your leads 24/7 that are pre-written emails pretty much, and they are designed to basically to keep feeding your leads information, value, to pretty much get them to know, like, and trust you so that they can move further down your funnel and ultimately become a customer of yours. From there, we talk about setting up your ad. Before you set up your ad, we go into Facebook pixels, why you need to have a pixel on every page of your website. We go into creating a video for your ad. Video is a lot better, more cost efficient. Facebook loves video over still images. It's just more cost efficient to run video ads at the very beginning versus still images. So we talk about the importance of having a video. In the event that you have reservations, creating your own video, we talk about ways of using YouTube videos. You can actually use a YouTube video that's engaging and download it as opposed to creating your own video and uploading that to your fan page, and why we use video. So we talk about uploading the video to your fan page. In other words, how to post the YouTube video or your own video to your fan page, and why it is so important to use video over still images. And then we go into a recap, and right after the recap, we talk about setting up your ad. Of course, that happens in your ad manager, and once your ads is up and running, we talk about the performance of your ad, how to look at the data and use that information to optimize your ads, and so on and so forth. And then we talk about remarketing, some remarketing strategies. Remarketing happens in the ads manager as well. We talk about ad copy examples. Of course, again, how to evaluate your ads and optimize them to get more bang for your buck. Then we go into optimization, how to optimize conversions. We actually have a bonus section as well. From there, we go into custom audiences, how to build a custom audience from website visitors that have visited any of your pages. We talk about lookalike audiences. And then from there, we go into conversion pixels, which is different from your basic pixel that you set up at the very beginning. How to set up an ad for conversions, which is something that a lot of marketers miss. Setting up conversion ads that is viable to become successful at Facebook marketing. We have one more thing, which is advanced conversion tracking. That's very important as well. Um, then we have a conversion pixel checker. We have a way uh, that you can actually tell that your pixel is firing whenever someone hits the pages that you have placed your pixel on. There's a way to check that. I have my final thoughts at the end, and then we actually dive in a little bit about something more specific to those who are using Facebook ads for e-commerce. We have some information that we want to share with you about e-commerce. And then we have resources, the resources that I use in my Facebook campaigns that has helped me tremendously. So I'll share those with you as well. And that's about it. From there, we go into the course. So I hope that this overview will help you. It's a great course. You will gain a lot from it. Again, if you decide to take us up on the course, make sure that you take action. Without action, there's no benefit without action. You have to take action. Hope this was very helpful for you. Once again, Mark Buchanan from OnlineMarketingTools.com. You can pick up the course by visiting OnlineMarketingTools.com. And we hope to see you on the other side. Bye for now.